Hi, and welcome to the Mckenzie Seeds training video, How to Build a Cardboard Base Display. In this video, we will give you step-by-step instructions on how to build the cardboard base and attach the panel. The cardboard base display can be used to display a single panel, such as seeds of change, outside of the main Mckenzie display. The cardboard base display should be merchandised in a high, impactful area of the store, such as the main aisle or front of store, to attract customer attention. The cardboard base display ships in this box, and inside each box is one cardboard base. Now let's get to the assembly. Here are the step-by-step instructions for assembly. Step 1, once you have removed it from the box, turn the unit upside down and open it into a square. Step 2, you want to fold along each perforation on all four sides. Once you have folded all four perforations, you want to turn it back upright. The next step is folding in along the perforations on each side until it looks like that. Then at the bottom, you want to make a shelf, so you fold along each perforation until you have created the shelf. Then you fold in these two tabs, which you will push through the opening on each flap. To make it more secure, I suggest taking packing tape and going all the way around to give it a little bit more stability. Once you have the cardboard base completed, the panel will sit on the ledge of the display. The last step, and just to add an extra bit of security, is take a piece of packing tape, and once you fold the flap of the panel onto the cardboard base, secure it using the packing tape. This will make sure that the panel stays attached to the cardboard base. Once you have completed that step, you have successfully built your cardboard base and attached your panel, and now it's ready to display.